Laganya mana nih? Laganya nih. Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel by Irma and today I am going to do a makeup tutorial for my little cutie sister. Keep watching. So this is my sister. Let me introduce you. Her name is Ninda, and she's the only one sister I have. For the first step, I apply base makeup from Makeover. Just apply to the whole of the face. Next, I apply liquid foundation from Revlon. It's natural. I forget what number, but the shade is natural. Pro Conceal. The shade is chocolate, and I love this concealer because it is really easy to apply, and the color, I love it. Do not forget to blend the concealer so there is no harsh line in your face. I use Viva eyebrow pencil for the eyebrow, and I'm sure most of makeup artists in Indonesia use this mark. It's a really creamy. I used to make a line in both of the eyebrow, and after that I fill the eyebrow. Blend the eyebrow so it looks natural and there is no harsh line. Apply foundation on the edge of your eyebrow so the eyebrow you make will look neater and stand out. Make sure your eyebrows are equal and then blend the foundation edge of the eyebrows. Apply loose powder. I wear Ultima Neutral, shade neutral, the whole of your face. Next, I use a powder contour from Rani, and don't forget to blend so there is no harsh line on your cheek. Don't forget to contour your nose too. Here I use coral for the eyeshadow and apply to all your eyes. For the outer corner of your crease, I wear chocolate color. And for the inner corner, I use shimmer eyeshadow from Kali Glow. Don't forget to wear eyeliner on your inner upper eyelash. I wear a double fake eyelash with different type. Here I wear lip cream from Wardah Insta Perfect. I love the color and I love the texture too. It's not too matte, not crack. It's like melted. I don't know how to say it, but I love it. This is Focalure blush on, shade B03. This is my new highlight. Actually, I bought it from my friend Pre-Love. It is spray highlight from Kali Glow, and so far not bad. I love it.